Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dion back again with another video. So today we're simply just gonna be making a beat, an emotional Afrobeat. So in the key of A minor. So now we're just gonna pencil in some root notes and then we're gonna create some chords over them. And here I'm just putting notes together which I think they will fit and give me the emotional vibe I'm going for. I don't really like this one. Let me try a G sharp. Maybe actually F. Okay, I like that very much. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add two notes on top of the bass notes, skipping every note in the key to create a triad chord. Like for instance, for this E, we skip one and I skip one again, creating a triad, E major triad, and then skip one again, F sharp minor triad, and then we have a D. So we're gonna skip one, now we have a D major triad. So this leads to this. Yeah, which is okay, but I wanna make it a little bit more darker. So we're just gonna knock this one down an octave. Control down. Now it's even more emotional. So we're gonna press Alt R to randomize the velocities. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So next thing we're gonna be adding is another E piano, but we're gonna play it in a different rhythm. We're gonna copy the same chords we played exactly, and then we're just gonna make it play a different rhythm. Control A to select all and then move it over. Yeah, I like that, but we're gonna shorten them up and then we're gonna actually move them up an octave. Control up to move them all up an octave. Yeah, I like that. So Alt S to strum. So next thing we're gonna be adding is a guitar. This is actually just guitar. We're simply gonna play the same chords, but you know, we're just gonna spice it up a little bit just to have some variation. Pay close attention to the velocities because they play a major role. Gonna go to none here and just move them off slightly just to humanize our melody a little bit more. I'm gonna copy it over to the next chord, but we're gonna do something slightly different here. After some time, I think came up with this. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So next thing we're gonna be adding is simply just something that's gonna add to the emotional vibe we're going for. So we simply just some strings and they're gonna play the exact same chords. Then we're going to move them actually 2 octaves up, just so that they don't clash with the rest of the melody. So as you can see, I moved them up an octave, just so that they don't clash with the rest of the melody. So they sound like this. Now imagine they were down an octave. See, now they don't really sound good. That's why I brought them up an octave, which make them sound better. Last thing we're going to be adding is just a kalimba, just to add more to the bounce. I'm simply also going to play the same chords but with a different rhythm, just to add more bounce to the whole melody. Yeah, I like that. So we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is simply the drums. And all these sounds I'm gonna be using are from my drum kit, which I'll be dropping once I hit 1K. So please hit that sub button. We're trying to hit 1K before the end of this year. Thank you very much. The emotional vibe I'm going for. Next up is the kick. Yeah, simple vibe. So next up, we're gonna come in with this classic bass. We're simply gonna follow the chords and just create some groove with it. After some time, I then came up with this. Yeah, so I made a pre-arrangement here and I mixed the beat a little bit. So here's the finished beat. Please like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out. Dion drop songs.